Coolant reservoir overflow occurs when your engine's cooling system cannot properly manage the expansion of coolant due to heat. Understanding this problem requires knowing how modern cooling systems work and what can go wrong. Modern vehicles have sophisticated cooling systems with multiple components working together. The radiator, water pump, thermostat, and pressure cap all play critical roles in maintaining proper coolant circulation and pressure. The first major cause of overflow is overheating. When engine temperature exceeds 220 degrees Fahrenheit, coolant expands rapidly. This expansion can overwhelm the reservoir's capacity, causing overflow. A faulty pressure cap is another common cause. Modern systems operate at 13 to 16 psi. When the cap fails, it cannot maintain proper pressure, leading to premature venting and overflow. Head gasket failure allows combustion gases to enter the cooling system, increasing pressure dramatically. This creates bubbles in the reservoir and forces coolant to overflow. Thermostat malfunction prevents proper coolant circulation. When stuck closed, it blocks coolant flow, causing localized overheating and pressure buildup that leads to overflow. Finally, water pump failure reduces circulation efficiency. A damaged impeller or failed bearings prevent proper coolant flow, leading to hot spots and pressure buildup that causes overflow. Understanding these 5 main causes of coolant reservoir overflow helps identify the root problem. Remember, overflow is always a symptom of an underlying cooling system issue that needs proper diagnosis and repair. When dealing with coolant reservoir overflow, your first priority is safety. Never attempt to remove the pressure cap while the engine is hot, as this can cause severe burns from pressurized coolant. Once the engine is completely cool, check the coolant level in both the reservoir and radiator. Look for any visible leaks around hoses, connections, and the radiator itself. Also monitor your temperature gauge while driving for signs of overheating. To properly diagnose the problem, you'll need to perform several tests. Start with a pressure test using a cooling system pressure tester. The system should hold its rated pressure, typically 13 to 16 psi, for at least 15 minutes without dropping. Next, test the thermostat to ensure it opens at the correct temperature, typically between 180 and 195 degrees Fahrenheit. A faulty thermostat can cause overheating and coolant overflow. Finally, perform a combustion gas test to check for head gasket leaks. This test detects combustion gases in the cooling system, which can cause pressure buildup and overflow. A failed head gasket is a serious issue requiring immediate attention. Prevention is always better than repair. Regular maintenance can prevent most coolant overflow issues. Change your coolant every 5 years or according to your manufacturer's schedule. Perform system flushes to remove scale and debris that can impede coolant flow. Replace the pressure cap every 5 to 7 years or 100,000 miles, even if it appears fine. A weak pressure cap is one of the most common causes of coolant overflow and is an inexpensive fix compared to major engine damage. Remember, coolant overflow is always a symptom of an underlying problem, never the root cause itself. By following these troubleshooting steps and maintaining your cooling system properly, you can prevent costly repairs and keep your engine running safely.